Is it visible properly? Okay. So today's my topic is nationalism and Rabindranath Tagore. First of all, I would like to introduce Rabindranath Tagore. He was a reformer, philosopher, a novelist, short story writer, and critic of life and literature. He was born in Calcutta and he was a fellow of the Royal STX Society. He reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art with contextual modernism in the late 19th and early 20th century. As we know that he also wrote national songs. The author of the profoundly sensitive, fresh, and beautiful words of Gitanjali. And for Gitanjali, he also won Nobel Prize in Literature, and he was the first non-European to win a Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. Tagore's poetic songs were viewed as a spiritual and mercurial, however, his elegant prose and magical poetry remains largely unknown outside Bengal. He is also known as the bird of Bengal. So first, if you want to connect national Tagore, we have to know what is nationalism first. So nationalism is the belief that your own country is better than other countries, and sometimes nationalism makes people not want to work with other countries to solve shared problems. And patriotism is a healthy pride in your country that brings about feelings of loyalty and desire to help other citizens. This is nationalism according to the internet source. Now, if we talk about what Tagore thinks about nationalism, so we can say that it is not expressive of the living bonds in society. It is not a voluntary self-expression of individuals as a social beings, where human relationships are naturally regulated so that men can develop ideas of life in cooperation with one another, but a political and commercial union of a group of people in which they come together to maximize their profit, progress, and power. So it is the organized self-interest of a people where it is least human and least spiritual. Now we come to the own words of Tagore. We can see that Tagore gives the definition of nationalism in his own word. He says that patriotism cannot be our final spiritual shelter. My refuge is humanity. I will not buy glass for the price of diamonds and will never allow patriotism to triumph over humanity as long as I live. So he want to say that the refuge of our human life is humanity, not nationalism and patriotism. And he also said that I will never allow patriotism to win over the humanity. As humanity is the major concern he wanted to spread in through his works. So, if we go through his works, we some questions are arises in our mind that how many wars have been waged in the name of the nation, how much innocent blood has it claimed, national security and national interest are buzzwords today, and in action is legitimate in the name of the nation, no matter how remote it may be from truth or justice. We connect it with our today's life that some politicians are provoked us in the name of nationalism, and we are also gone through that fact speeches, and whenever nationalism comes, we forgot all other things and join that particular person and join that path also. And we do, if some people deny to join them, other people said them they are terrorists, they are anti-national peoples. uh, So, if we go through the works of Tagore, his three novels are also represent nationalism through their works. These are Gora, Charadhyay, and also we have seen the Home and the World. And what are the background of that works that inspired Tagore to write this works? So first we see Tagore was convinced in 1861, a period amid which guideline was taking shape and picking up momentum. And second, we see in 1856, just 4 years before, the poet was convinced the main military uprising for self preclude broke in India. In 1905, the Swadeshi movement began, and Tagore's doorstep as a reaction to the British policy of patrioting Bengal, the partitioning of Bengal. So now we talk about Gora. The, the novel is written in 1880s and during the British Raj. It is the fifth in order of writing and the longest of Tagore's 12 novels. This novel is longest novel of Tagore from his 12 novels is a rich and philosophical debate on political and religion, and it highlights the role of history in the narrative of the nation. The novel is also set in the era of Swadeshi movement and echoes Tagore's political concerns. The novel also revolves around the issues of nationalism, patriotism, identity, and self-discovery. So, if we go through the novel, we come to know about Gora is short name of Gaur Mohan, and he is we can say that the strongly believer of Hinduism, and he also tell people to join that Hindu religion. And here we also see that the conflict between Hindu and Brahmo Samaj. Brahmo Samaj was uh, is quite opposite by Gora in this novel. But in the end, we come to know about Gora's real identity, that he is not born as a Hindu, but he is an Irishman and adopted by Hindu family. So the identity was changed in the ending of the novel. Uh, for that, Gora is taking pride that he is Hindu, and Hinduism is the nation, and a nation is Hinduism. That concept was deconstructed in this novel, and the true identity of Gora is discovered in the end of the novel. Next, we talk about Char Adhyay. It is also a political novel written by Tagore in Bengali, and it is also published in 1934. And after the non-cooperation movement in British India, a renewed violent revolutionary effort was started in Bengal. In fact, the story is written by criticizing barbaric terrorism. We see terrorism in the novel, and Indian people are suffering for getting freedom from British people. So the nationalism is play a very pivotal role in the novel. And last was the home and the world. The home and the world is also we have studied in our syllabus. The novel is originally written in Bengali, and later it was translated into English. And the original name was Kare Baire, and the book illustrates the battle Tagore had with himself between the ideas of Western culture and revolution against the Western culture. We have seen in the novel that Nikhil represented as a Western culture, and Sandeep was represent the traditional culture, and we can see that he was against Western culture. We see the boycott and the rallies that against the Western culture was also described in the novel, and these two ideas are portrayed in two of the main characters that we have seen Nikhilesh, who is rational and opposed violence, and Sandeep, who will let nothing stand in his way for reaching his goals. So, the concept of nationalism is also reflected in this novel, where Sandeep is uh, provoke people in the name of nationalism, and he wanted to other people to join him in that movement also. But if we talk about the view of Tagore in nationalism, Tagore said that we have to boycott that all the culture, but not the theories that Western culture is applying, because it is helpful to our countries in developing our country. So Tagore was not opposed with Western theories. He was opposed to Western cultures. And in the last, we can see that Tagore's representation of nationalism consequently spills out of his depiction of the establishment of nation state, and plainly advocates a characteristic type of society for Indian without the Western organization of nation state and the thought of political nationalism. And here is my references. Thank you.